What's going on, guys? It's me, your boy, the Boosted Bagel. Today I'm very excited because I just got a package. I love mail days, absolutely love mail days. And this package, probably as you can tell from the title of the video, is my new Adidas ZX4000 4Ds. I got the carbon colorway because I already have the first colorway, the gray one, the OG launch color. So today, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, impromptu unboxing because I just got home from work. Yeah, I'm going to do a little unboxing and review. I'll break out the other color and just put them side by side and get some walking shots and on-foot shots, and all will be well. I'm very excited to unbox this, so let's do it. I'm going to do this in all one take. So, got my trusty little tuck here, tactical keychains. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Hopefully the camera, no, can't focus. No, anyway. It's a sharp little bastard. Doing this one-handed, by the way, maybe with the exception of an elbow. Might need the elbow. No, I don't think I will. I ordered these shoes online from End out of London, and they were just sitting. They had my side, so I figured why not? I'll pick these up. I don't have to wait to haggle 2 weeks on StockX for a guy that won't come down 20 bucks. So I understand the hustle. I don't like to lowball in there. So I saw these and I decided why not? Alright. Now I like how they put the shoebox in their own box. Very nice. Ooh. And they always put the pack slip in a nice envelope. Very nice. Now, this is the cleanest 4D box I have. Actually the second 4D box that I have. So, yeah. I also just realized I'm not shooting this in the right format that I want it to be. Thank you for the firmware update, DJI. So yeah, I got a UK size 7, which is US 7.5. ZX4000, all that good stuff. Carbon colorway. Pretty excited. I love how the other shoes feel. My other ZX4000s, they feel great. You definitely can't compare 4D to Boost. It's just a different feeling of energy return. It's not springy. It's stable and supportive. So let's do this. Let's open these one-handed. Haven't used an elbow yet. Using hand expansion. Work smarter, not harder, guys. And friction. Alright. So boom, that unfolds like that. And there she is. Wow. These are good. These are great. Using all natural light in my dining room right now because the sun is still out, just happens to be out still. Got home from work moderately early today. Damn. These are good. These are really good. Just the quality and everything. You can maybe tell, I don't know if you can tell a difference on camera, but that little part that differentiates from, okay, so this part right here, you might not be able to see it, but it is the carbon color of the side paneling and all the suede. Focus, damn it. Oh, not even getting a good focus right now, this sucks. So yeah, there's the carbon. That is great. The 4D actually feels, out of the box, it feels a lot softer than the gray one pair I had. It's definitely a lot less stiff. I don't know, I might have gotten one of the early production pairs. I'm not too sure, but sorry about the focus. It's not working in my favor right now. I should probably, yeah, I need to go reconfigure the settings. I forgot it doesn't save it after the firmware update, so oh well. These are great though. Oh man, love all of the stitch box. I'll talk about that later on. I'm gonna break out the other colorway, maybe sit down a little later. So heads up, the lighting won't be the same. But damn, these look good. These look really good. Alright, quick unboxing.